Do you want to use the nostalgic feature of Facebook Poke? Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. To do so, go to your Facebook profile search bar and search for Poke and tap on it. This will give you the screen where Poke feature is present. Tap on it. This will open friend list where you can poke your friends. However, if you are unable to find any name, search their name in search bar and tap enter and click poke button next to their name. If you find trouble getting these options, you can get details help in our guide. Link in comment and description. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us.